Game Legends 10 here, and I'm here with something new. I'm actually using the bad setup again, which is the phone, for a pack opening. I'm doing a pack opening for once in my life. So yeah, let's get straight into the pack opening. I'm going to be opening these 10 rare gold packs and then some normal premium gold packs for you. Right, let's get straight into it. Pack number 1. Hope for something good. Yes, fam. Great start. We have great start. Nah, that wasn't very good, but whatever. Alright, let's just send all the club. That we're gonna test them, there's no point really. Pack number 2. Hope for someone good. Then you can see my reaction to it. Go. Oh, come on, man. Oh well. What about the fun? Innit? I'm not gonna sell them. Send them to the club. And then so on. Ethan. Then pack number 3. Woo! Let's hope. For something good, come on. Give me something good. Anything, come on. Handanovic. Nice. Hey, so bingo, alright. Send the rest of the club. Yep. This is going to be a long thing. 7 more packs. Hopefully we can get something good in these packs. So far we're not. So far it's been rubbish, but whatever. It's all about the fun, ain't it? Next pack. Come on. Give me something good. Come on. Oh, Rossi, I already have him. Don't need him. Give me bullcrap players. How much is he? Whatever. I'll submit him, I don't care. YOLO. We can just get kicked out. I'll send them the club. 5 more packs, halfway through. Hopefully the next 2 packs can be actually decent packs. Go. Oh, he's pretty decent pace, so yeah. Kirkus and Napoli. Oh. So yeah, that's not really good, but whatever. And 4 more packs. Oh, God, give me something good in these packs. I'm wasting my money for this. Wow. Damn. FIFA, you are so unfair. Oops, I took it on. Oh well. 3 more packs, come on, give me something decent. I'm been moaning a lot on this. I'm getting kind of frustrated, it's annoying me. I waste my money, right? I could have bought a dance ball for something, right? I spent 50 quid. And I'm getting no one. Come on, man. Don't make me waste my money. Clichy, yay. Oh, I got Costa again. He doesn't go for anything now, though. Damn it, man. Oh, they can go. That can get sold. Woo. 1 more pack. Come on, give me something decent in this pack. Come on. In form. Come on, give me like Thiago Silva in form. No, you're gonna give me Javi Martinez. Sick. Whatever. Right, now I'm on to gold packs. Woo. I'm gonna buy this quickly. Because I think it's going to waste 50. Don't actually care about it. Woo! Silvers! Yay! There you go. Right, see you can get in these packs now. I would hate if I got better in these packs than I did in the gold packs. Oh yeah, got 2,000 coins. Nice. Redeem. No, Adam with the club. It's one. One inform. Even if it's bad. Oh, that's not an inform. Right, that can go. 15 coins, worth it. That's amazing. 15 coins, just amazing. You just say that? Woo, no one again. Maybe someone? Maybe? One? Please? Please? No. This is fun. Getting, I think no one. Kind of actually wishing I got a dance hall for now. Or something decent. Like worth the money, but whatever. These points. Right? Anything for FIFA? No. No, maybe this one. Probably no one good, whatever. Come on. Stop giving me grey balls. I don't give balls. I don't want balls. Right. We've got a few more packs. Again, no one good. Right, nose pack. That was a third of a nose pack, whatever. Cover out. Well, at least I got a substitute now for goddamn Danny Alves. I only like two or three more packs, and I'm getting no one. This is not worth the coins. Oh, that's quite nice actually. That's probably the best thing I've got so far. 5,000 coins. Diego Costa was right, but then he's only worth like 10k. So no, he's not really alright. Again, crap. Come on, get up, get. Nah. Woo. I think it's fair to say I wasted 50 quid. Oh, I ain't buying packs ever again because these are crap. From now on, I'll just go the dirty cheat way and actually try buy coins. Because they're actually worth something. Okay, no one. Sod off with that bitch. Second time in a row I got Reed. I don't want him. I got one more pack. Come on. Last pack. Last pack luck. Come on. No, cruel. I don't care about him. He's crap. Right, there can all go. Well, this was the pack opening. Oh no, I'm going to buy one more silver pack. Woo. Yay. 500 coins, nice. Okay, I have to say, the best thing I got on this were the coins. The best thing I got out of the coins. Yep, that proves to you, flipping FIFA packs are worthless. There is literally just no point buying them. Well then, I hope you enjoyed this video. Probably not. There was nothing there. There was no god to be like, oh my god, crazy. I wanted to get someone good, but whatever. I guess that's life. Gotta get used to it. Nothing ever good. Life. Nothing ever good happens. In this generation, yes. But always, yeah. So, hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you another time in another video. I don't know what it will be, but yeah. Bye bye. Yeah.